Antique Rustic Garden 2025 furniture with natural wood charm, timeless, elegant outdoor restoration ideas. Welcome to Golden Haven Living, a place where timeless beauty meets everyday comfort in home and garden spaces designed for a graceful life after 50. Here, every story begins with a love for nature, elegant textures, and pieces that carry a quiet sense of history. This channel celebrates serene outdoor retreats, cozy interiors, and treasured details that turn houses into sanctuaries filled with warmth and meaning. Today's journey explores the art of renewal and the joy of preserving craftsmanship that stands the test of time, beginning with Antique Rustic Garden 2025 furniture, with natural wood charm, timeless, elegant outdoor restoration ideas that inspire and soothe. A gentle welcome to your garden haven. Every peaceful outdoor space begins with a story, a quiet transformation of surroundings that hold treasured memories and fresh possibilities. A charming garden, filled with natural textures and graceful forms, offers a haven for reflection and gatherings. Antique rustic furniture brings warmth to the open air, blending the craftsmanship of the past with the needs of modern comfort. This journey explores the beauty of reclaimed wood, classic lines, and elegant restoration techniques that turn forgotten pieces into functional works of art. With careful attention and gentle creativity, every garden corner becomes a sanctuary, where aging materials reveal timeless charm, and the presence of history deepens the connection to nature's calm embrace. The beauty of antique rustic garden furniture. Furniture shaped by generations carries a grace that cannot be replicated. Each table, bench, and chair bears marks of life, weather, and touch, creating a surface rich with stories. Antique rustic garden pieces often feature sturdy hardwoods, forged ironwork, and carved details that speak of skill and patience. When restored thoughtfully, these pieces regain strength while keeping their aged character. They become more than places to sit or serve. They transform into anchors of outdoor living, grounding spaces with authenticity. Their weathered elegance harmonizes with flowers, stone paths, and soft greenery, offering a visual balance that feels both nostalgic and inspiring, reminding visitors of enduring craftsmanship and enduring beauty. Why natural wood never goes out of style. Natural wood possesses a quiet elegance that has remained appealing across centuries. Its grains, tones, and organic warmth invite a sense of calm into every environment. In garden spaces, wooden furniture complements sunlight, shade, and changing seasons effortlessly. Unlike synthetic materials, wood gains character with age, developing patina and depth that enrich its appearance. Properly cared for, wooden pieces resist time while offering comfort and durability. Each plank tells of forests, seasons, and the artistry of shaping raw material into cherished objects. In restoring aged wooden furniture, the goal is preservation of both function and soul, ensuring that its beauty serves not only today but continues for decades to come. Spotting hidden potential in old pieces. Many outdoor treasures begin as overlooked remnants, tucked away in sheds or quiet corners of family estates. Scratches, fading varnish, or minor structural wear often conceal sturdy frames and intricate joinery. Recognizing value involves observing balance, weight, and craftsmanship details, such as dovetail joints or carved motifs. A skilled eye sees beyond surface damage to the enduring framework beneath. Restoration begins with careful assessment, ensuring that any work respects original design. Once identified, these neglected pieces become opportunities for renewal, transforming weathered forms into striking focal points. This process preserves heritage while enriching modern garden environments with a touch of authenticity and a renewed sense of purpose. The heartwarming restoration journey. Reviving antique garden furniture is an act of care, patience, and artistry. Cleaning away years of dust reveals wood grains hidden beneath dull coatings. Gentle sanding smooths worn edges while preserving the character of each piece. Choosing the right oils or stains enhances natural color, protecting against moisture and sunlight. Hardware is polished or replaced with period-appropriate fittings, ensuring both safety and style. Each step restores strength while honoring original craftsmanship. The process is never rushed, allowing wood to absorb treatments fully, ensuring durability. Once complete, these renewed pieces radiate warmth, becoming not just functional seats or tables, but beloved companions to gardens rich in memory and meaning. Blending old and new for perfect harmony. A garden thrives when elements of the past and present coexist beautifully. Antique wooden benches can pair gracefully with contemporary planters, stone paths, and modern lighting. This balance avoids a staged or museum-like feel, instead creating a welcoming retreat that feels both fresh and familiar. Color palettes matter. Soft neutrals, muted greens, or gentle blues complement weathered wood, enhancing visual flow. Cushioned seats bring modern comfort without compromising historic charm. Each addition is chosen with intention, ensuring that every detail contributes to an atmosphere of peace. Through this blending, the garden becomes a living tapestry of memories, textures, and evolving tastes, offering an environment of serenity and style. choosing the right finishes for timeless elegance. Finishes play a vital role in both protection and aesthetic appeal. For antique garden furniture, soft matte stains highlight wood grains while preserving natural depth. Water-resistant sealers shield against rain, while breathable treatments allow wood to expand and contract with changing temperatures. Colors inspired by nature, moss, sand, or soft walnut enhance authenticity while blending seamlessly into outdoor landscapes. Metallic touches, when used sparingly, can accentuate carved edges or joints, adding a gentle glimmer under sunlight. Each finish serves a purpose: to extend life, elevate beauty, and respect history. Thoughtful selection ensures restored pieces age gracefully, maintaining elegance even as seasons pass, providing enduring charm to treasured garden retreats. Adding comfort with a personal touch. Restored furniture gains warmth when paired with inviting textiles and thoughtful details. Soft cushions and weather-resistant fabrics bring relaxation, turning a sturdy bench into a favorite reading spot. Throws and gentle hues invite lingering conversations during cool evenings. Potted herbs or fresh blooms placed nearby enhance sensory delight, offering subtle fragrance and color. Careful layering of textures, wood, fabric, greenery, creates a multisensory experience of comfort and beauty. Each personal touch reflects the values of hospitality and care, transforming the garden into more than a visual escape. It becomes a cherished gathering space where comfort, charm, and tradition meet under open skies and gentle breezes. Arranging your restored furniture for flow and peace. Placement shapes how a garden feels and functions. Grouping furniture around focal points, such as a stone fountain or flowering archway, encourages conversation while maintaining visual harmony. Pathways guide movement naturally, avoiding crowded corners and creating gentle transitions between spaces. Low-profile seating near borders draws attention to floral displays, while taller tables near shaded areas provide convenient refreshment spots. Every arrangement considers balance, light, and privacy, ensuring a welcoming flow that feels effortless. The goal is a layout that invites lingering moments, quiet reflection, and joyful gatherings, turning each restored piece into part of a graceful rhythm that enhances outdoor living and emotional well-being. Caring for your outdoor heirlooms through the seasons. Seasonal attention preserves both function and beauty. In warmer months, gentle cleaning removes pollen and dust, while light reoiling maintains wood resilience. During wetter periods, Protective covers guard against moisture and fading. Regular inspections catch minor wear before it becomes damage, preserving structural integrity. Shade placement reduces harsh sun exposure, preventing cracking or discoloration. These routines extend life, ensuring that antique pieces remain strong, safe, and attractive year after year. Caring for heirloom furniture is more than maintenance. It reflects respect for heritage, an appreciation for craft, and a commitment to sustainable living, allowing outdoor sanctuaries to thrive across generations with grace and dignity. Creating a garden that feels like home. A well-curated garden, graced by restored antique furniture, offers more than beauty. It becomes a living space filled with comfort, heritage, and the quiet joy of thoughtful design. Each bench, table, and chair carries stories of the past while serving the needs of today, connecting loved ones through shared moments in a serene setting. These spaces nurture relaxation, conversation, and inspiration, enriching everyday life with warmth and elegance. As each season passes, the garden evolves, yet the sense of home remains steadfast. To continue receiving inspiration and practical guidance, viewers are encouraged to subscribe, like, and share thoughts in the comments, keeping this journey vibrant and meaningful for years ahead. Every restored piece tells a story, carrying the grace of the past into serene gardens that welcome quiet moments and cherished gatherings. This journey through antique rustic garden 2025 furniture with natural wood charm, timeless elegant outdoor restoration ideas highlights how care, creativity, and respect for craftsmanship can transform outdoor spaces into timeless retreats. Thank you for spending this time with Golden Haven Living. For more inspiring ideas, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share thoughts in the comments. Stay a while, explore another video, and let the beauty of thoughtful design continue to brighten every season ahead.